when you are having lessons, giving a speech, climbing mountains, or playing golf, we can use it. Now let me show you how to use it. We can see there is a button. Pressing this button, we can turn it on. We can see there is a green dot. And now I push the knob back. We can see the knob is expanding. And now if I press it again, the dot will be flashing. We can use the code to cover help. And now I push the knob back. The dot will be focused together. Our laser pointer has a waterproof function. Now let me show you. So we can see even in the water, we can see it clearly still.